Alright, this is what the boot looks like right now. Not fresh from David Jones' locker, but close. I just wire brushed this lock down. It's almost ready for paint. See if I can run outside real quick. So this railing came off. Cleats came off. There's a lot of damage right here. But it's all simple puzzle. This actually got damaged after the fact because the boat kept on jerking. See if I can run down to the back real quick, because this fan doesn't have much. There's the panels are cut out, get access to the engine. Stairs windows need to be replaced. That one was broken already. This one I had to break when I was trying to get my salvage some tools. I had to pull them out through the window. This one got broken because another boat kind of dinged me right here, which created this damage. It's all simple stuff there. It's all cut and replaced. I show up in the pilot house, super strut, and in the front, a little bit later on. Alright.